In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use some of the noise and film grain overlays to stylize your video. Let's start with it first on this multicam edit here. So I'm going to go out of multicam viewer modes. We're just looking at the edited frame. I'm going to take the scratches and blotches video and just drag it down into the timeline and snap it to my cursor. Now when I do that, of course, it's at 100% opacity, so we're not seeing the video underneath it. Go ahead and select that video file. You can also resize the vertical height if you need a little bit more room here. Go into your effects controls, and we need to add a blend mode. Now you'll use different blend modes for different types of looks and effects. In this case, let's start with something like the darken blend mode. Go ahead and select that, and now you can see that it's beginning to peek through our video. And if we play this back now,
I wanna take a hold of you and rock you in my arms. Trust me, little darling, I'll do you no harm.
get some really cool looks, particularly like on the drums here. Really, really nice stuff. Now again, based on the blend mode that you choose, it will change a different look. If we were to use something like overlay, this is probably going to make things a little bit bright and kind of blow the image out. Yeah, sort of like that. Now of course you also have opacity control here in the effects, so you can control that as well independently. It's just a matter of choosing the particular one that you want to give the look that you want. Let's try it on our social cut down of my intro video here. This time let's go ahead and take this film grain overlay and drop it down like this. Once again, we'll select it, go into our effects controls, and maybe now let's try something like screen. Now again, this is making it very, very bright, so maybe we'll see how this looks with the darken blend mode. And let's try overlay, and that's going to be the winner here. Go ahead and play this back. Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to my channel, Just Play Music. And it adds just a nice little amount of subtle film grain to that. And that's a very quick tutorial on using overlays with blend modes.